It's all about the progress in the journey. Today we're going to cover tree pose or vriksasana. We can begin by standing in mountain pose, and if you struggle with your balance, you can just begin by putting your right toes on the mat. Just put the heel up against the ankle. If this is pretty easy for you, you can challenge yourself by coming up to your calf, or even maybe grabbing that right leg, pressing the foot into the inner thigh. Press into the pinky toe side, draw your belly button in and up. Try to lower down these bottom ribs, broaden through your collarbones, and slide your shoulder blades back. And maybe you'll want to grow your tree. Bring it up. Try to straighten your arms, get them lined up with your ears. Well done. Gracefully come out of the pose. Switch sides. Starting in mountain pose, just bring your left foot to your right leg. Start at the calf, perhaps moving your foot up to your inner thigh. Press into the pinky toe side. That'll help you keep your knee opened up. Take this right hip and pull it in. Firm up your belly button, open up your chest. Maybe try growing your tree. Let your shoulder blades slide down your back as you do this. Slowly come out of the pose. Thank you for joining me today. I hope you have a better understanding of tree pose. I hope you like, subscribe, and share. Check me out on Instagram and check out my website too. Until next time, have a beautiful day. May love and light be yours. Namaste.